Hello guys, this is me again, Yana Tarshian, and welcome to my channel. So now we are here at Horseshoe Bay. We're going to the Horseshoe Bay. So this is along the way to the Horseshoe Bay with my sister. So this is how it's looked like. Guys, look at that fish. It's a parrot fish. Look, it's a group of them, and it's a big. Oh no, the wave is so big. Look, they're swimming. Oh no! I don't have a swimmer, so I cannot swim. So look at them. There's a lot. Ang good, ang good! Dalam! So this is the beach looks like here in Bermuda. And fishes everywhere. If you can see that dark thing over there, that's all parrot fish. They're all swimming in there freely by groups. Ooh, the wave is so big. I love Bermuda. We're gonna change our location over there. Oopsie. We're gonna walk along the beach. My footprints. We're gonna change location. I don't know why this Bermuda is such a heaven place. That's my sister. We're gonna change location. She's gonna swim, not me. Oh no, this is such heaven. So yes guys, I am here. Look at behind me. So amazing. Heaven. Look at that. This is Bermuda. So yeah, I'm here in the ocean. Look at this guys. Oh, they're gonna run away. Look at them. There. Look. I'm gonna. Oh, they run away. They run away. Ganit. Yeah, so you can swim almost everywhere here in Bermuda. Oh, look at this view. Look at this guys. Look at this rock formation. And time check now is 4 o'clock. My sister's climbing at the rock. And now she don't know how to get down. This is how pretty in here. So pretty. This is just a small beach for kids. Look. And there's some shell. Oh, it's almost high tide. And look at this shell, guys. Shell. There's so many. And this one can eat, but we're not gonna get it. They are everywhere. It's nice. And if you notice the sand is pink. Yeah, there is no snake in Bermuda. So yes, it's safer. Only rats. Rats is everywhere, but there is no snakes. So we're gonna climb up here in the rock. And there's a hidden secret in here. Look. Oh, going to another beach. This is a secret. Actually, it's not a secret. I just found out. So here you go. Ooh, wow. Amazing. We are here now at the Horseshoe Bay. Paulit-ulit na lang. But yes, this is it. Look at that rock formation. We're gonna check what's in there. We're gonna check what's inside of that crack. What's gonna be in here? Ooh. Ooh, yeah. So there's nothing. So it's a low tide. So usually we cannot pass by in this area because there's a lot of water if it's during high tide, but now it's low tide, so it's fine. So I have to take my shoes off. I mean my slipper off. So, there you go. Now you can see this is it. Quite busy. We're entering the cave. We're gonna go in the cave. It says cave. It's a bit dark. Why no lights? What's going on? It's scary. Actually, it's very dark.